To set profile HWUI rendering as in HDP dumpsys gfxinfo in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings, scroll down settings screen, find developer options. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon, and then scroll down settings screen, find developer options and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer option screen, find profile HWUI rendering, profile HWUI rendering, and then tap profile HWUI rendering, and then select in ADB self dumpsys gfxinfo. Now profile HWUI rendering set as in ADB self dumpsys gfxinfo. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.